Essential oils are used as an alternative therapy for various purposes instead of getting medical treatment. It is a traditional method that is being used for a number of things since ages. From skin problems to health conditions, essential oil can contribute toward maintaining a healthy body. However, you should be careful and cautious while using this oil, as there are no approved instructions about doses or strength of this oil. Essential oils are made from the liquid essence of plant, and this essence is made from the smell and taste element of a plant. A few common examples of essential oils are lavender oil, basil oil, cinnamon oil, tea tree oil, and ginger oil, etc. Today's video discusses this essential oil that one can give you a proper long detox and make your respiratory health stronger.
Before you watch this video, please take a moment. Just subscribe our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tap the bell icon so you will be the first to know when we post new videos daily.
Essential oils for respiratory health. Lemon essential oil. Lemon is known kitchen ingredients that can help in make your immune system stronger and can also support lymphatic drainage to recover from a cold quickly by improving the blood flow and reducing inflammations in your lymph nodes. One of the best ways to use lemon essential oil is to put 4 to 5 drops at home, work or school in the diffuser, and you can even add it to eucalyptus. And you can also add 1 drop of a high quality pure oil to the bottom of a glass of drinking water to treat cough and sore throat. Just put 2 to 3 drops of this oil to a cup of lukewarm water and honey. This is a natural way to prevent and treat respiratory problems such as coughing, inflammations, congestions, and other issues. Essential oil uses is simple and easy to try at home, but you should try and take the advice of a medical professional or expert before proceeding. Most of the essential oils are beneficial for your health, but the listed one can be safely used for long detox. What do you think of this important information? Let me know in our comment section below.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.